County in south-central Wisconsin until 4 p.m. At 3:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over northern Madison, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, Waunakee, McFarland, Monona, Windsor, Marshall, Cottage Grove, Deerfield, Shorewood Hills, Maple Bluff, Deonsville, Camp Randall Stadium, Token Creek, Henry Villa Zoo, and Madison. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.